The Panama Canal stands as humanity's greatest engineering triumphs. But what makes it so important to the whole world, actually? It's very simple. Instead of traveling from the east side of America, like from the east of Atlantic, all the way down and around, past the Drake Passage and come all the way up, that's over 12,000 miles, to get to the other side of the US or to the Pacific Ocean. Instead, it takes only 50 miles by creating that canal or passage. This is great for global trade because it connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Pacific Ocean without having to go the long way. Now, let's talk about some history. The Panama Canal's history includes the French attempt to build the canal, and then the United States construction on the canal and the transfer of control to Panama. In 1881, the French began construction, but financial problems and disease caused the project to fail. Basically, the French underestimated the difficulty of building a sea-level canal. So when they failed, the United States came in and started construction in 1904. Their plan was not to build a sea-level canal, but a lock canal instead. Then in 1999, this was in compliance with the Torrijos-Carter treaties, which were negotiated in 1977. So here are the key events. In 1881, construction of the canal began. In 1889, the French abandoned this attempt. In 1903, Panama gained independence from Colombia and negotiated an agreement with the United States to build the canal. In 1904, the United States and Panama signed a treaty that allowed the United States to build and operate the canal. In 1914, the canal was officially opened. 1979, the United States transferred control of the canal zone to Panama. And in 1999, Panama took over full operation, administration, and maintenance of the canal. Using the canal can reduce carbon emissions compared to sailing around South America. Also, by shortening the travel distances, the canal reduces fuel cost and time spent in transit for the ships. It allows for faster and a more efficient movement of goods between the two oceans, impacting global trade significantly.